our selfies? Not the lighting.
It's like orange. Ooh, there's cops on the bicycles.
Ooh, bicycle cops.
Yes, bicycle cops.
Oh my gosh.
I don't think I explained what we're doing for my vlog. So today we are in a Santa parade.
The princesses are so pretty.
For where?
Yeah. Oh.
So we're in a Santa parade for our service club for school. And it's
Alright, I guess.
it's Julia's gonna make me die. She's like, let's not die.
Hey, we have the crosswalk off.
But we're in like a Christmas parade and it's gonna be so much fun. So yay. We're supposed to, oh well. We're lost, okay?
Yeah, we're very lost.
And we don't have a ride anymore. So wait,
oh my gosh, I see some green.
Wait.
Praise Jesus.
Oh god.
Yeah, there's the cheerleaders. I'm telling you.
We're like the first ones here in our club. So we're waiting. It took us, okay, then they weren't that far. Then again, it did take us a little bit.
We were just being stupid.
It was kind of confusing. I wouldn't say we were being stupid. you see the ones we passed. Oh goodness, we saw ones on bicycles.
Oh.
So there's some other kids from other service clubs from our school in the parade, and our cheerleaders are here too. It's gonna be great. Only downside to this is our blinkies don't work.
Cue the montage of me trying to fix them.
They don't work. They don't work. Oh. Guys, horses.
Huh?
There's horses. Lauren's here.
When I pass out candy, I'm gonna be like,
Lauren. Hello. This is Lauren. I'll see you later. Bye.
Bro, it looks weird. 2 on top? No, thank you.
No, thank you.
not bad. I have no armor. Can I flex or not? No.
You might vlog.
Anything interesting though. You know, you gotta catch me in my prime.
No, you are. You're in your prime.
Oh no.
You guys want to say hi to my vlog?
I vlog.
I should put like a warning. Flashing lights.
Brave.
Me and Julia are gonna hand out candy to the kids.
Headshot.
Oh my gosh, look how much candy. Oh my god. And then Julia brought her Halloween candy. With the Halloween pretzels and everything. Ooh. Ooh. Julia's handing out candy out. You okay? Have our mascot, Leo mascot.
Yeah.
Gotta hurry this up. Oh, there's more people. I just handed out some candy. Where are they?
Yeah.
They're all the way in the back. Oh, I'm sweaty. Okay, we're going again. We ran out some candy. Oh my god. Oh.
Margaret, the parade's over!
Oh, is it?
I think so.
We could just do it here.
Yeah.
We're trying to get everyone.
happy. You say holidays. Happy.
Holidays! Holidays!
Jake just starts on fire, just like runs over there, tries to jump into the water. Oh my gosh, no.
Can you do that, Jake?
Yeah. Oh, oh.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, now we're taking a stroll in the park.